Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So negative 9y squared and 6y we can do about factorization by negative number 1 in here. So this one we have 3y everything to the power of 2. This one we have number 2 multiplied by 3y. So we need to add about positive number 1. That means we need to minus negative number 1. Negative, negative, we have positive number 1. One minus number 2, we have negative number 1. This one that is about identities, so I will put 3y minus 1, everything to the power of 2. So negative and negative I will put outside. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about 3y minus 1 equals to tan t, because if I put this one going here, we have tan t squared plus 1. Later that we change by secant of t squared, and then we simplify by dy. Now we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0 in here. So I will put this one going here, because we don't have number 3 on dy, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. Dy we change by this one. This one we change by secant of t squared. Now we have 1 over 3 in here. About t, that is about this one, so we have t equal to arctan of 3y minus 1. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.